What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. Okay. Hello all. So what I am doing today, I brought in my niece who is actually pursuing modeling, and I wanted to blend both our passions together to have this opportunity. It is important for me to bring my niece in so she can actually see her visions come true. And it is a beautiful thing when two creatives can come together. And this creative happens to be with my niece. Okay, so I got a good old button-down pattern shirt and I made it crop. I grabbed some mom jeans, put them together with this red oversized puffy jacket, and bam, it's the simple details that create the story. And then she was ready to leave it all behind with that suitcase in her hand. So everyone knows I love to thrift, but I don't speak to me, and they said this is how I want to be worn, okay? So I saw this oversized red jacket and I had a vision to pair it with these items. I wanted an all denim look, but I wanted to add a little color. So it was nice being able to pair the red jacket with this all denim look. And you can't forget the accessories. It takes the look to the next level. I found these blue pointed toe kitten heels and fishnet socks that took this where I wanted it to go. You can easily accessorize a look to take it to your next level. I really picked these items and put it together because it's simple overall, and the accessories brought it all together. If you want items to speak to you or you're searching for the next level look, go ahead and check my Etsy shop out in the description box. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Royal Blue by Priscilla and let me know what speaks to you. And go ahead and comment below other things that you would like to see from me in the future. All right, guys. So what story do you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.